everyone, I'm Emma from Tianjin Golden Hugeline Company. The size of high-quality filter is for land cruiser, off-road vehicles that I like it very much. Off-road vehicles will accompany a lot of dust when driving, and like this video. Effective filter is very important for the car. Our air filter can fill out amount of dust when the filter is driving and provide clean air for the energy. Meanwhile, the oil filter is also important. The oil filter can reduce the friction when the energy is running and protect the energy. So if you need this filter, please contact us. We will provide high quality filter and better service for you. Thank you.